Hello, students. Welcome to Mr. Sandwich Reads. I am, as always, Mr. Sandwich. Today, I'm giving tips for the hot new game Wordle, so check it out. Thanks. All right, so we're back, and here we are at the home screen for Wordle. If you're not familiar with the game, I'll quickly explain the rules, and then I'll give you some strategies for I think, how to play successfully. I've not lost a game of Wordle. I do play on different devices, so I don't have any like ongoing streak or anything. But I've done pretty well, and I can get a lot of them within 3. So the idea of the game here is you're guessing a 5-letter word, okay, and you get 6 guesses. We got a 6 by 5. It's a 5-letter word. You get 6 guesses, okay? We come up with the word, and if a tile turns green, it means we have the right letter, the correct letter, in the right place. If it turns yellow, it means we have a correct letter, but in the wrong place. And if it turns gray, it means that letter is not in the word, and so you can eliminate it. So a few strategies here as we get going. While the letters can repeat, which can be pretty difficult. Say we take the word like agree. It has the double E. It can be hard to identify when we have a double E. But strategy-wise, when you start with the first word, choose different letters. You don't want to repeat a letter in that word. You want a variety of letters so that you can start to use process of elimination. A few things to consider, and these are things that my students work on, are vowel pairs, open and closed vowels, the VCE, that silent E at the end. Those are going to be pretty common in a 5-letter word, okay? Usually these are going to be 1 or 2 syllable words, which will help. We'll kind of see how that plays out. And I have 2 words that I like to start with, which is cause. And the reason for that is because A, U, E, well, we've got 3 out of our 5 vowels right away. We're going to find out about 3 out of our 5 vowels. And C and S both belong to consonant clusters, we'll call them. We've got C could be part of CH or TCH. S could be part of SH. So they get involved in many different sounds. S could also be plural at the end of the word. So anyways, let's give this a try. I also use house a lot for the same reason. So cause and house I like. All right, so we've got A, and that is in the correct place. We've got S, that is not in the correct place, but it is a correct letter. There's no U and there's no E. Okay. And this gets tricky because the A is in the right spot. Okay, but the S is not. Now, again, I did mention vowel pairs. So, for instance, AI, and I is still available here, makes a long A sound. So, and I know there's an S. I'm going to start with an S here. And I've not guessed N, which is pretty common. And T also, just like C, S. And my wife starts with the word root a lot. She likes that because R is pretty common, and T again can be a part of a consonant cluster there, like TCH, TH. All right, so let's try Saint. Okay, and now we've got 3 correct letters in the wrong spot. The A is still good, so I'm going to move the S. This is a word that has an N. The A is there. I'm going to guess N-A. And then st. So this is the little thing with here is like we see ST. We know that's going to blend together, or it's likely to blend together. It could come at the end. But I'm going to do the word nasty, which keeps the A in the same spot, but it moves the N, T, and S. Let's give that a whirl. And there you go. That is it. We got it in 3. We went from cause to, what was it, Saint to nasty. And we got that in 3. And you can see I've gotten 4 from my work computer here. Usually I'm on my phone doing these, but thought I would do that with you. I hope that helped. Cause and house are the 2 words I like to start with the most. And let me know what you think of this. Is it helpful? Do you like it? Are you a fan of the game Wordle? Let me know how you're doing, and I'll keep posting tips and tricks because I think this is a nice way to reinforce a lot of the things we learn here in my Lit Lab. So hope you enjoyed that. Take it easy. Keep playing, keep learning, keep reading. Be kind to each other. All right. Peace.